Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have like really exciting news. Like I'm so super duper excited. Like I've been trying to calm myself down, but I just can't stay calm, guys. Oh my god, I hit my 1K subscribers, guys. Like this may not seem like a big deal to some people, but I'm like super excited. Like it's official. I'm so happy. I've been smiling since I got the news. Like I wasn't really expecting it. That was even the bad part. That was even the worst part because like I know I've not been consistent online, and like I even felt people were going to give up on me since I didn't even like I haven't been doing a lot online. Like I don't think I've posted so much this year, but I've been like I'm so excited, guys, that you guys still showed me so much love. Like you guys still subscribed to my channel. You guys, a lot of people even came to DM me to find out if I was okay. Like a lot of people even DM me. A lot of people were finding out if I was okay, and I'm so grateful for all of that, guys. You guys are the best. Like you people have been showing me so much love and so much care and attention. Like I didn't believe all the positive notes I would get when I started this channel. Like I thought I was going to have to be like fighting a lot of people, getting a lot of abusive comments, and yeah, you guys have shown me so much love. Like I love you guys so much, really. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I'm like full of so much joy that you guys even decided to subscribe to my channel. Like I don't even know what to say. See, I'm just rambling, but I'm so happy and I'm so grateful, guys. Like I've been dancing since I got the news. Like when I saw it, I saw an email. I got an email, so I was like, ah. I went and looked at it again. I looked at it again. I had to go to YouTube to go and check my subscribers. I was like, wow. I didn't even know what to call. I didn't know what to do. I didn't even know how to act. I was just like, and I was just like trying to take everything in. But I'm so happy and I'm so excited, guys. I'm so grateful, and I will be doing a giveaway for my. I'll be doing a giveaway soon. I will announce the giveaway very soon. I don't know what it's going to be about, but let me go back to the drawing board and kind of think of what I want to do. I need to just go to the drawing board and figure out what I want to do. Okay. Once again, I want to continue saying thank you, guys. You guys have motivated me so much. Like I feel like uploading so many more videos right now. So guys, I promise I will be more consistent. You guys get more content, more tutorials, more chit chat videos, just more of me, because I'm seeing that you guys have shown me so much love. You guys have done your part, so it's time for me to do my part, guys. I really love you guys. I'm so grateful. I love you guys so much. You guys are like my new family, like my online family. I'm so happy. Like I don't even know how to act right now. It's like 4 a.m. and I'm like, nope, I have to shoot this video right now. Like, no more procrastination, because I know I always procrastinate. No more procrastination. You have to do everything right now. Like, just get it done. Do your makeup and come and say thank you to everybody. Say thank you to your wonderful subscribers. Like, I love you guys so much. I love all of you who have been here with me from the jump. Even those of you who are just joining. I mean, I love you guys. Love you so much. I really love you guys. I really love you guys, and I can't wait to see you guys in all my future videos. Bye.